morning. How are you? So welcome to Tutoring Online completely free. I am here to answer all of your questions, and if you want some information on anything educational, I can help with that too. So I'll just get us set up here. Perfect. And right now I'm going to give a couple minutes for people to sign in to see how they're doing. So we'll just wait about 1 minute before we start. And so today is super sunny, and I hope you guys get a chance to walk outside. I'm going to start with a question from Math 7, as I got asked this yesterday. And so we'll just go over that again. And then hopefully you guys will ask some more questions, and we'll go from there. So grade 7 math. So we learned about multiplying fractions. So we'll start with this question. And to multiply fractions, all you need to do is multiply straight across. So 7 times 6 is 42. So we write 42. And then 5 times 3 is 15. And in grade 7, you would be expected to and even grade 8, you'd be expected to reduce the fraction if possible, or you can change it into a mixed number fraction. So if you are to reduce this, we know that both numbers, I'm just going to shut this window because it's a little noisy. We know both numbers divide by 3. So I'll do that in red. There we go. So we know 42 divided by 3 is 14. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And so you'll end up with 14 over 5. That is your answer. So I will give you a moment just to copy that down. Okay, so I will try another grade 10 question because I just got asked it through text message. And so that was just about combining like terms. So if we have 5x squared minus 6x squared plus 7x minus 2, basically, when you combine, actually, you know what, I'll even extend that, plus 5 minus 3. So when you're combining like terms, they have to be the same letter, the same variable, and the same degree. So right here we have a variable with degree of 2, a variable with degree of 2, and so those ones are going to combine together. So 5 minus 6 is negative 1. So we have negative 1x squared. Then we have x and x. So we have 7 minus 2. Oh, sorry. They each have a degree of 1, right? And so we can combine those together. So we have 7 minus 2. And 7 minus 2 is just 5. So 5x. Then we have ones without variables. Those are constants. And so technically they match. So we can actually combine those together as well. So we have 5 minus 3, which is positive 2. And then, a couple things here. One, you cannot combine these guys here. Even though they both have x's, one has an x squared. So you cannot do that. Okay? The other thing is if you don't want to write the 1 here, you don't have to. So you can just say minus x squared plus 5x plus 2. But if you left the 1, it's not wrong. It's completely correct. So that's how you combine like terms. I'll give you a second to copy that down. Great, good job. All right. And so we did have a chemistry question from grade 12. It is an organic one. And so they wanted to know if I have something like this, how do I name it? Okay, so to name this, you have to start by counting the carbons. And you want to count the longest chain of carbons. So the longest chain would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So because there are 5 in both directions, my general rule of thumb is just go straight across. It's really easy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we do want to give priority to the branch here. So you want to get the branch as close as 1 to the number 1 as possible. Now right now it's in the middle, so it didn't matter which side I number these from, it's still going to be in the middle, okay? And so we start by naming the branch. So here, this is an ethyl branch because we have 2 carbons. So we say 3-ethyl, okay? And then we're left with our parent chain, which is pentane. So 3-ethylpentane. There you go. Awesome. So I think that I've answered most of your questions today. I don't see any coming in. I'm going to give you guys about 2 more minutes to pose any questions that you have. All right, so doesn't look like there's any more questions coming in, so I'm going to end the stream for today. However, please feel free to direct message me. You can also message me on Learnology Zone at Learnology Zone on Instagram, on Facebook. And if you want to email any questions, there is my email, which is learnologyzone@gmail.com. You're always open to all questions. Thank you.